Let's quickly expose the ecosystem's blatant intolerance, which is a deep-seated hatred for anything patriotic, anything that puts India first, from ridiculing a BJP MP's real-life trauma to calling a blockbuster movie teaser propaganda. This network of liberal voices, viewers, or so-called liberal voices and opposition allies, have made it clear they cannot tolerate stories that celebrate India's strength, resilience, or pride. What triggers such vicious hate? I don't know. Maybe the fear that, patriotism unites the nation and exposes their own divisive narratives. On one side, you have the case of Sadanandan Master, a man who lost both legs in a brutal 1994 attack by CPM activists in Kerala. He was being pressured to leave the RSS, hacked down in a calculated act of political violence. He survives on prosthetics and has risen to become a Rajya Sabha member of parliament. When he displayed those very legs in parliament to highlight the intolerance and hate, the ecosystem trivialized, dismissed his pain as drama, called it a stunt and whatnot. Let's talk about Dhurandhar, a film that celebrates India's intelligence officers, surgical strikes, zero tolerance against terror. The teaser of part 2 of the film has come out today, and it has a powerful line about a new uncompromising India. And instantly the ecosystem labels it propaganda, jingoism, hate mongering. Why, I don't know. Let's open this up. Sushil Pandit joining us. Haji Randre is also on the panel. Kamru Samanji, Sadananda Master, we all know what happened to him in 1994. When he was speaking about what happened to him in Rajya Sabha, उसका भी मजाक उड़ा दिया कि ये ड्रामा है, ये क्यों लेके आए हैं, what is he trying to show? And then the teaser of Dhurandhar 2 was released today. People have already labeled the film propaganda.
Pranesh, over the last few years we have seen how the ruling dispensation led by the RSS cabals and their ecosystem try to drum up an event in the past. What I can say only about this honorable MP is that I respect the injury, but Parliament isn't a trauma ward. You cannot bring in an incident out here, try to politicize that event. There are people who have taken care of such cases. You
Wonderful.
bring propaganda movies every now and then.
Trump up events of the past. This is the disdain with which you describe the genocide in Kashmir, the genocide of Kashmiri Hindus. The RSS man, who's now a BJP Rajya Sabha MP, usko bhi drama bol rahe hain aap. You know why his limbs were chopped? He was asked to leave the RSS. He said no, पैर काट दिए. Professor Mondal, you come from Bengal, sir. वहां पे भी political violence है. What is this intolerance to anything which puts India first?
No, I think what was done to this honorable MP in 1994 was definitely brutal. That is the history of the left people. Everyone knows. In fact, we lost thousands of our workers at this point in time. I understand Mr. Kamruzzaman compulsion now because he has got alliance with the CPIM in Bengal, though they are still making kusti in Kerala.
No, but Professor Mondal, what is your compulsion to be in the India alliance that has both Congress and left? ये भी तो बताइए, sir.
No. We have no compulsion. We are
of course you have
BJP
compulsion. Okay. Let's take it step by step. Let's try this. Professor Mondal, the Congress is in alliance with with the TMC nationally. All of you, both of you are part of India alliance.
No. There is no alliance. There is no local alliance. No. TMC is not in alliance with Congress. TMC is alliance with many other party where Congress is also a part. I mean, why are we making?
So Congress is part of the alliance. Come on, Professor Mondal. Now, come on. I think you watched the clip. You've become, smarter now. आप सवाल का जवाब वैसे नहीं देंगे. But you see, you are part of the alliance that has Congress. But you are slamming and abusing the Congress here. That alliance also has the left. Sushil Pandit ji, what is this intolerance that, keeps coming up?
Yeah. Pranesh, this gentleman, the Honorable MP, is from Kannur, where he met with this brutal attack. And Kannur is to CPM what Layari was to Rahman Dakait. This was their nursery. In the same Kannur in 99, a teacher, Jai Kishan Master, was hacked to death in front of his students in a classroom. In the same Kannur 10 years back, Sujit was hacked to death in front of his parents in his house. This is what CPM does to political rivals. And that is what Jai Krishnan, Ms. Sadanand Master, the Honorable MP, was trying to bring to everyone's notice through Parliament. This was no cheap gimmick to seek sympathy. It was to expose the violence, the politics of hate, visceral hate and violence and murder that he was trying to bring to notice to everyone and rip this mask of hypocrisy. Now coming to the other hypocrisy, the political hypocrisy, the abiding political hypocrisy of TMC that the other day was grieving about having to fight court cases in Supreme Court because Left Front hounded this poor Dalit professor, but has to defend his presence in the India Alliance because the compulsion of fighting BJP. This is how they somehow try and manage contradictions. Contradictions which have no possible gain on the other end.
Right.
There is nothing to gain from this except embarrassment, except political compromise, except exposure in front of their own electorate.
Right.
But that is what they keep doing.
Nikhil,
Good luck to them. They have been
Nikhil, why this intolerance to anything that is India first or is remotely patriotic? Why?
First of all, Pranesh, I'm not really clear whether you want to discuss about the Masterji or do you want to discuss about Dhurandhar. If you want to discuss about Dhurandhar, you said that it talks about a new India. First of all, if you've actually watched the movie, it does not talk about the India post Modi. It talks about the India under Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Why do you embarrass yourself every day? Let there be some exception. I was talking about the teaser. How have you watched the film? अभी तो teaser ही आया है. उस टीजर में लिखा हुआ है ये नया हिंदुस्तान है, हम घर में भी घुसते हैं और मारते भी हैं. The movie is yet to come out, my friend. It comes out on the 19th of March. सवाल ही नहीं. You never listen to that question, don't even understand. And then, some people on the panel say that, the question was in Hindi, the panelist was speaking in some other language, etc., etc. Listen to what the anchor is saying and then answer. And if you can't, don't make faces. Look at Haji Rangres. He's not got a chance to answer, but he knows he's safe. Silence is his safety. We've run out of time, viewers. The news are with Navika Kumar on the other side.